Meaning of enervation.
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 Enervation. The term enervation refers to a state of physical or mental weakness caused by prolonged exertion, stress, or illness. It is characterized by a feeling of extreme fatigue, exhaustion, and lethargy, which can negatively impact one's ability to perform everyday tasks. Enervation can be caused by various factors such as lack of sleep, poor nutrition, chronic illness, or mental health issues. The symptoms of enervation can range from mild to severe, and if left unchecked, can lead to serious health problems and decreased quality of life.